Alright, this is the Samsung water filter for refrigerator. I have mine filters on a reorder on the skip. They send me a new one, and so I don't have to remember when I need to change the filter or not. Right here. I like these filters because they, when you put, first of all, it's easy to put it in the fridge, and it's no leaks and no odors from this in the water from this filter, and the water tastes clean and doesn't have any weird taste from the filter, and it starts right away after when you install it, right here. So it's recommend to replace every 6 months. Okay, very easy. And how is it going into the refrigerator? It's going this way in. So right here is our Samsung refrigerator. And the water filter is right here. Open the lid. Right here it's locked. You twist it to unlock this way and put new filter in. So like this, you turn it 90 degrees and pull it out. So that's it. So this is our old water filter. And just like this. So I really like how it's working on this refrigerator because it's not all the way in the back, it's on the front. Easy to replace. I like so they're simple and reliable and easy to install. Before installing into the fridge, make sure you remove this cap right here so the water can fill up the filter and go through it. Very simple. I usually replace those filters myself. I don't need to wait for my husband. And reliable and simple, and never had problems with them.